like to introduce you to the SRRBR EZ316 Brakeline Replacement Kit by SUR&R. This Brakeline kit lets the installer make up any type of brake line quickly and easily. Included are 112 of the most common brake line nuts and adapters. Also, 25 feet of easy bend, high-performance alloy tubing. What makes this kit so unique is special alloy tubing. It's easy to bend without kinking, easy to route, and very simple to flare with any type of hand flaring tool. In addition, our tubing will never rust and corrode, is backed by lifetime warranty, and is made in the USA. Compared to steel, poly-coated, and other competitive products, we feel that you will find our tubing the most advanced and easy to use. Because of its flexibility, our tubing is easy to flare and makes better fitting seals. Unlike other competitive products, it doesn't take much force to create proper flare.